Hello and welcome to the official SoccerStarz channel. It is less than 20 days until the start of the World Cup, so in today's video we'll be unboxing some England and France SoccerStarz. First player, Sidibe, the French fullback, plays for Monaco. Ooh. Sidibe, really good sculpt. Could we see him on his way to the Prem in the summer? Really cool beard as well, which you might not notice with his shirt. Okay, next one we have the teenage wonder kid, Kylian Mbappe. Hopefully this opening will go better than the last one. Oh, curse of the commentator. Oh dear. Get out. Strength of Akinfenwa. Kylian Mbappe. How many goals will he get in the World Cup, I wonder? Okay, next one. Lemar, the winger who plays for Monaco. Heavily linked with Arsenal last season. Another one who we could see come to the Prem. Who knows? I think it all depends on how good a World Cup he has. Here he is. Lemar, nice beard. Alright, on to the England ones. Are we looking at England's number one, Jordan Pickford? For you Joe Hart fans, you'll be really shocked to have heard that he didn't make the squad, so it makes Pickford, Butland or Nick Pope pole position to be number one. But I think Southgate does love Pickford, so I think he would probably pick the Everton man to be his number one, as he likes to pass it out from the back. Jordan Pickford, rocking the all-black goalkeeper kit. The next England player, Kieran Trippier, the Spurs fullback, a brand new player we've added to SoccerStarz. He's joined us in the World Cup range, and who knows, wait and see if he'll be made into a Spurs kit for next season. Oh. Kieran Trippier. In the squad for his set pieces, as he has got a very delicious whip on his crosses. Okay, the final player we're going to do, Lingard, the breakout star for Manchester United this season, having the best season of his life. Can he take it into the World Cup and win? I'm going to say it. Can he win England the World Cup? I really hope so, Jesse. Lingard. Jesse Lingard. So there you have it. 6 players from England and France unboxed. This was actually my first unboxing and I found it really good fun. So leave a comment, let me know what other soccer stars you want me to unbox or any other ideas for some YouTube videos. All of these players and the rest of our World Cup range are available at shop.soccerstars.com. Don't forget to like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time.